So we can take a look at this. I take off the flat cable first because it blocks the cable. But remember, this on top, okay? This on top. So we can take a look this way. This is a little difficult to connect the SIM card port here. How to do it? I remove this from the port first. This one inside, and then here like this. And I use some power to push it. Use some power to push it, and then it will go inside. This is the way. So, and then we need to connect this cable here. As I mentioned, the silver here on top. So I connected this on top here. Then we'll be fine. And then I continue to connect it. Stick to the board first. Okay, like this. The flat cable well fit. And then this one connect to this. So we to take out this. The blue color on top. Like this. Lock it. Like this. Okay, this. Then the touchscreen flat cable, you need to connect like this. Here. Insert it, and lock it down. Like this. And this is the power for the LCD screen. As I mentioned, the connection should be like this. Here, the white color on this side. Okay, it have lockdown, right? And just like this, flat cable for the LCD. You need to insert correctly by this cable. Like this is correct. You can see like this. Lock it down, then you will just like this. That's correct way. If you like, if you do it like this or this, they are wrong. You need to do it like this. Like this. Only this way it can work. Right? Here. That's very important. And then we can fix it. Fix to the board like this. Flat cable. Double check it. This one, and this one have all okay now. They are all okay. Just fix by the screws, then we'll be fine. This one. Okay, now we fix the screws. Make sure every screw is well fit. Like this. And then we need to install this built-in microphone to this door. Just take it. Then will be okay like this. You need to install the bracket like this. Fix the screws and notice this ground connect to this. As I mentioned, you can make a picture when you remove this part. If not, you might forget which one for which one. Okay. This screw tab should be a mistake. I should use this one to fix it. So when you remove the screws, don't drop it. Keep it safe. Like this. Okay, like this. Okay, that's correct. And then finally, we install this cover. This cover is very easy to do it like this. Fix in place. Sorry, like this. Just like this. That's all. And I also take a test because I need to make sure the installation is well. Now I have connected power and power on. You can see what I do is no problem, all okay, like this, just like this. Okay, here the Wi-Fi, and we can test everything, no problem at all.